it's your girl Celeste Renee and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is pretty exciting for me because I'm kind of just like updating you guys. I feel like every video I start I always say I'm updating you guys, but it's because I haven't recorded in so long. And I already said why it's been so long since I recorded in my last video, so I'm not gonna do that again because that's just unnecessary, and we're trying to keep this video short because I know y'all be sick of hearing me talk for 39 minutes. Just talking. So anyways, and yes, this is not Essentia water. Today I have some Kroger water because I already drank my whole bottle of Essentia, and you know Essentia is not cheap, so I just like stick to one bottle a day. So whenever I drink my Essentia bottle, I just go to my Kroger water because you get 2 things of Kroger water for like $3, so real cheap, and it has a good taste. Purified drinking water. But anyways, let's get started. So guys, this video, I told you I was going to do a video on how I lost 20 pounds in a week. I wish I could lose 20 pounds in a week. It was not a week, it was a month. So yes, I lost 20 pounds in a month. So currently I am down 25.8 pounds. You know, you have to put that 0.8 in because, hey, a bitch work. I mean, your girl worked hard. So, let's see, where do I get started? I was gonna do this video sitting down because my legs hurt so bad because like I started running, and actually that's gonna go on later. So anyways, let me get started. Y'all already know I be all over the place, so just excuse me. I'm gonna start having like some note cards. I can be like boom 1, boom 2, so I can stop getting off topic because I like stay all over the place. And y'all are also probably wondering like, girl, you have had this bun for the last video or so. Y'all, the struggle has been real. Like this gym hair, like if you go to the gym often, you know that like when you go to the gym you don't have your hair down, so I just always have it in a bun, and then like when I leave the gym I don't want to take it out because I'm like, I know it's gonna be nappy, so I just keep it in the bun, go to sleep in the bun. So when I woke up this morning I took it out of the bun, it was a hot mess, and I was like, I'm not even about to try to attack that because anyways, this has nothing to do with hair, so let me just get started. Okay guys, so I officially lost 20 pounds in the month. So the month I started intermittent fasting, I think the first video I did was like the last week of June. I don't really remember. All I know is intermittent fasting like literally changed my life. Like I just wish somebody would have told me about this earlier. Like, ugh. I'm just so mad that like I'm just so late on the bandwagon on intermittent fasting. So anyways, yes, collarbone, you better come through. Anyways, so okay, actually since I'm talking about collarbones, let me just get on that point. So guys, a lot of people have been asking me like, how do you stay motivated, like, you know, like isn't it hard? Because it is hard. I would be like, I hate people who are like, oh, it's so easy. It's not easy. Losing weight is hard. It's not fun. You're hungry. You want to eat. Well, you're not hungry, but you want to eat the foods you want to eat. Like, you want to go to Popeyes and get you some Popeyes chicken, but you can't. So it's not easy. So when people say it's easy, they're freaking lying to you. Do not believe them. It's a lie. But one thing that keeps me going is like seeing results. Like guys, I literally take photos of myself every day. Like I have an album. Y'all can be like, this girl is certified crazy. I'm really not crazy, guys. I'm really not, but I don't know, I just, yeah. So I have like 2, you guys can't really see, but this one, it says intermittent fasting. That's one album, has 41 pictures, and then this one is living my best life 8-4, because remember, ooh, not a pimple, because remember I told y'all I was trying to lose 30 pounds by the 4th of August. Today's the 3rd, and so I still have 5 more pounds to lose, so I'm probably not gonna reach that goal. But I mean, if I wouldn't have went on vacation, I would have reached the goal. So I mean, technically, anyway, so yeah. Yeah, so take photos, because sometimes like I have BDD really bad, and me and my friend call it BDD, but it's called body dysmorphic disorder. I don't know if it's a real thing, but I think it's a real thing, and I think a lot of females struggle with it. I think people in general struggle with it. We're like, you don't see yourself the way, like if I look in the mirror right now and look at myself, like I would be like, I feel fat. Like it's so weird, right? But like I've lost 25 pounds, but I felt skinnier when I was like 25 pounds heavier, until I looked at like my before and after photos, and I was like, damn bitch, you was fat as fuck. Well, I shouldn't say fat as fuck because that sounds really mean, but that's just how I talk to myself. Like I don't think there's anything, I'm not gonna say that, but I just talk to myself in my head like really like rough, because that just motivates me. So yeah, taking pictures helps a lot, especially if like you be struggling with BDD like me. Like when people are like, oh my god, you look, you're losing weight, and I'm like, no, but hey, whatever, everybody has their struggles. So yeah. So anyway, so basically I was really strict with my eating. Like I still am really strict because I'm trying to reach a certain goal, and I know it's so weird that I never, like, y'all people like, you never say how much you weigh, like you never show your weight. Like, I don't know, just for me personally, it's just weird. Like, I just don't feel a need to do that. Like, I mean, I'm not lying about my weight loss, so I don't feel a need to be like, this is how much I weigh exactly. Like, I just, because I feel like everybody's different. Like, you might weigh the same weight as me and look like skinny as fuck, and then another person may say, what? And your words twist, stop. But another person I can't believe I really just have my words like, that's not cute. But another person may weigh like less than you and look bigger than you. So I don't think it really matters. Like, I don't think you should be focused on like what this person weighs, because I'm gonna get to their weight. Like, that's stupid. So I don't feel a need to do that. And I feel like it's really personal. Like, first of all, being on YouTube is hard. Like, opening yourself up to people that you don't know. Like, the whole world can see you. Like, it's hard. So it takes a lot of like confidence to be in front of the camera. Like, you're probably thinking like, oh, nobody's there, but like, real life people can send lots of hateful comments to you. Like, people are not nice, people are haters. So people say really mean things. People thumbs down your videos when you know your video was good because they just hating and trifling. But anyways, that's neither here nor there. I'm gonna stick to the topic, 20-pound weight loss. So yes, I did it in a month by being very strict with my eating. So basically I just ate a lot of eggs. I would have 2 eggs and 2 pieces of bacon for like lunch, because I fast for 16 hours, so like around 12. I'm just gonna say I would start my fast at 8, even though I really start my fast at 6, because I like to be able to eat earlier in the morning, like around 10ish, because that's when I start to get hungry. But when I first started off, I did just start eating at started fasting at 8, so I'll just stick to that time to make it easier. So I would start fasting at 8, and then when 12 came around, I'd have my first meal, which would be like 2 eggs and 2 pieces of bacon with Cholula. I love Cholula. And then I would eat that, and if I was really hungry that day, I would do 3 eggs, and then for a snack I would have like turkey, a pickle, because I'm basically on the keto diet. Like, yeah, basically, because I don't really eat carbs. But I'm not like strict keto, I'm just kind of like lazy. Well, I guess I am. I don't know, but I just did like a Celeste modified keto diet. Yeah, so y'all are probably like, this girl is literally on crack cocaine. I really am like on no drugs, you guys. This is like, I'm literally just high on life at all times. Like, this is literally my personality all the time. Like, I'm just like, ah! So anyways, but yeah, I'm not on drugs, I'm not crazy, this is just my personality. So anyways, I'm gonna stop getting off topic because we're 8 minutes in the video and I still have not even gotten to what I need to talk about. Okay, so yes, that, and then for dinner I would have a smoothie. Most of the time for dinner I wasn't hungry. Like, last night I wasn't hungry and I was like, I'm just gonna start fasting. So my last meal was at 4, but I would not do that again, because when I tell y'all, when 10 o'clock hit, your girl was weak. Like, I was so hungry. So I would suggest, like, I know a lot of people say if you're not hungry, don't eat. I would suggest still eat something, even if it's something small, just so your body can, because your body's burning the fat while you're asleep. So that would really help your body, because I was weak last night. So that's kind of the food. I just did no carbs, 2 meals, a snack if I was hungry, and I fasted. And another thing I think really helped was like, well, first I was determined as hell. Like, I was just like tired. I was tired of just giving up on myself. Like, I don't like, weight loss is hard. Like, it's like a continuous journey. Like, I've been like doing this since I was in freaking high school. So like, and I just graduated from law school, so that's a long time. So it's a continuous journey. It's a continuous journey. But I was just tired of just like giving up. Like, girl, what? Like, how are you not gonna believe in your own self? Like, I just feel like that was crazy. So like, I really was determined, like, I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna commit to this full-heartedly. And like, once I started seeing the results, I was like, boom, she done, I'm here, I'm not gonna work, because like, this works. So yeah, another thing is my activity level, guys. So when I tell you, I don't know why, when I tell you, like, I'm a teacher, I was working my ass off. Like, literally, like, my butt is like super small now, but yeah, I guess I can kind of show, I can't really show y'all, but like, you can like see like this fat roll right here, like, it's gone, y'all. Like, that fat roll had been tearing my life up for like the whole summer, but it's gone. So now we just need these arms to get it together and we'll be good. And this stomach, you know, the fupa, she getting a little smaller, but she still got a little foop to her. So but yeah, my activity level, I up that a lot. So 3 times a week I go to the park. I live in Houston, so I go to Herman Park. And if y'all know, Houston is hot as hell. and I put like my sweat thing on around my stomach, and I would show you it, but it's like far over there, not far walking over there, even though it's not in that far. Anyways, whatever. So I put my sweet sweat band on. I go out there 3 times a week, y'all, and run 3 miles. So that takes, at first it took me like almost an hour to do because I couldn't really run because I have bad knees. I played volleyball in high school, so I got real bad knees. It was taking me a while to do, but then I started to like jog. So now, I mean, it's not a lot. Y'all gonna be like, girl, I can go 25 minutes straight jogging. It's a slow jog. It ain't no like, you know, run a jog, but I'm still proud of myself because I literally like didn't think I could even do that. So just the fact that I can like go full 25 minutes is good. So now I've cut my time down to like 50 minutes. It's just 10 minutes less, but like any progress is good progress in my book. So I do that 3 times a week, and if I really feel like doing something extra on the weekend, I'll add in another one. So I normally do Tuesday, Thursday, Sunday, but sometimes on Saturdays I'm really bored, so I'll just go out there too, because it's really relaxing as well for me, so I don't mind it. It's just really hot. That's the only thing. Like, your girl been getting all tan and stuff, which, hey, black girl magic, I'm here for it. And then I went to boxing class every day. Yeah, so I was going to boxing class every day. I still go to boxing class every day, and that's a whole nother workout in itself. I think that helped a lot. And then I would do weight training at my apartment gym. Because like, if you just do a lot of cardio, you'll lose weight fast, but you'll be really flabby and your skin is just gonna hang and stuff, and I don't want that. So like, I rather have a slower weight loss journey and like build in muscles. So like, sometimes like it won't be as fast, but like when I see the weight coming off, like it's like, you know, got a little muscle nation. That didn't really look like muscle, but you know. So yeah, I did that. And I really think that's how it happened, guys. Like, honestly, I was shook. Like, when I saw 20 pounds, I was like, this has to be a joke. Like, y'all, I literally took the batteries out my scale and put new batteries in, because I really thought like I was being pranked or something. But like, it's real life. Like, I real life did it. Like, you guys can check my Fitbit account. If y'all want to be my Fitbit friend, add me on Fitbit. Like, I'm so, because I don't like people scamming me, because I've seen a lot of weight loss pages that are like scams, weight loss YouTube pages, where they're not losing the weight, they're just editing their photos, and I'm just like, what's the purpose? Like, at the end of the day, you're just sabotaging yourself, I think. But hey, whatever you have to do to make yourself feel better. But I just think that's stupid. Like, I think the whole purpose of a weight loss journey is to be real. Like, show the real you. Like, people know you're being fake. Like, and if you talking about you lost 10 pounds in a week, and we see your before and after photos, and they're edited, and then you do a photo next week, and then you're bigger than you were in the photo you just uploaded, like, come on, child. Now you're insulting our intelligence, honey. We don't need that. So, yeah. So I had like took the, oh, here it is. So Fitbit gives you, just so y'all know, I'm trying to bring y'all some receipts. Fitbit, every time you like do something that you haven't done, they'll send you stuff. So this one says minus 25 weight loss, and this was on July 22nd. So yeah, guys. So I'm real life out here hustling, trying to get this body looking snatched. So the only thing, I was just trying to lose 30 pounds, but I'm gonna try to go for another 20. So yeah, I just like see some areas that I want to, like, you know, fix a little more. Maybe I should stand back here, but like, yeah, I really want to get my arms toned. That's the one thing. My stomach area has really slimmed down a lot. Like, I'm surprised, but I've always had like a small waist. That's just kind of like how it's built. And these thighs, honey, I've been trying to work them out. They're not going anywhere. So she's gonna have big thighs till she dies. That rhyme, big thighs till she dies. But yeah, guys, I'm really just happy with life. Not because I lost weight, but I'm just like, I feel like in a better mind space and just everything. So that's what I did. Things that I really did to lose the 20 pounds is I was really strict with my diet, really strict with my workouts. I worked out a lot. I think I ate like less than 800 calories, but I was burning like over 1,000 calories a day. And I just made up my mind that I was gonna do it, and I did it. And you're your biggest motivator, so once you know, make your mind do something, you're gonna do it. And I took lots of pictures. So I hope this video helped you guys. I'm gonna have more videos coming up soon, so stay tuned, and I'll see you later. Bye.